clashes between SSPDF and UPDF. On Monday, 28th July 2025, at 4:25 p.m., elements from the armies of two sister republics of South Sudan and Uganda exchanged fires at Nyangai, Muda, Bori, Boma, Kagapo, Tupayam, Kejikedi County of Central Equatorial State. The exchanges resulted in both sides taking casualties. The escalatory measures taken. In response, the SPDF Chief of Defense Forces, General Dawa Tunjong contacted his Ugandan counterpart, and as a result, the two agreed on taking the following steps aimed at stopping further clashes. Step number 1, immediate cessation of all forms of hostilities. 2, formation of a joint investigation committee to ascertain the circumstances under which the armed confrontations erupted between the two armies. And finally, the established Joint Technical Border Committee will continue with their work aimed at finding peaceful resolutions on recurrent border disputes. Thank you.